Hey everyone, welcome back to Native GIS Today. I'm giving you a sneak peek into one of our most requested and most exciting topics yet.
What if the next AI revolution isn't about text or images, but maps? Right now, a quiet revolution is unfolding in geography itself, one that could redefine how we see and shape our planet. GIS, Geographic Information Systems, has been the backbone of how governments, scientists, and corporations map and manage the world. But there's a catch: it's powerful and expensive. For decades, advanced spatial analysis was locked behind corporate paywalls and complexity that only experts could decode. But something extraordinary just happened, and almost nobody's talking about it. It's called open-source GeoAI, the fusion of geography and artificial intelligence, and it's democratizing spatial intelligence at a scale never seen before. GeoAI is exactly what it sounds like, using machine learning and deep learning to analyze spatial patterns, predict environmental changes, or even map entire cities from satellites. But here's the twist: what used to require massive servers and elite training is now achievable on a laptop, thanks to open frameworks like QGIS, GeoPandas, and TensorFlow. This isn't just a software shift, it's a power shift, because now, every student, city planner, or environmentalist can perform AI-powered spatial analysis for free. GeoAI is tearing down the walls of exclusivity and putting global-scale intelligence into the hands of everyday creators. So, what does open source really mean in GIS? It means no license fees, no corporate gatekeeping, just knowledge, shared, transparent, and evolving. Developers, scientists, and volunteers are building open alternatives so strong they rival billion-dollar platforms, and sometimes outperform them. In India, startups use GeoAI to predict flood zones using Open Sentinel data. In Kenya, students forecast droughts with Python and satellite imagery. And in Brazil, NGOs detect illegal mining, all with zero proprietary tools. Here's a staggering fact: 80% of all data generated globally has a location component, yet only a fraction of it is ever analyzed. Open GeoAI is unlocking this hidden layer of intelligence, one map at a time. The truth? The next wave of global innovation won't come from Silicon Valley. It'll come from open-source coders mapping real-world problems no one else is solving. They don't want you to realize this, but with free GeoAI tools, you can build the same predictive systems used by governments and tech giants. The future of GIS isn't closed, costly, or controlled. It's open, intelligent, and unstoppable. Learn it, build with it, and shape the planet with GeoAI.
Workflows. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest in AI and GIS. See you in the next video.